You are going to love the 2016 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror. The Jetta is a premium car that is family friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.